What's going on? This is Chad with Munday Scientific. We have a Nikon E600 Polarising that just sold, and we're going to show you how to take it apart and put it back together and go over just a few of the features on this microscope. It'll make it way easier for the customer when they're putting it back together, and it could help you too. So first thing, there's a wrench here in the back. It's a 2mm Allen wrench. If this wrench is missing from yours, it's 2mm. So right here on this head, this is a trinocular head. We're going to loosen this screw. I'm going to leave the wrench in so you can see where it was at. It's going to have CFI 10x by 22mm field of view eyepieces. One of these is going to have a reticle in there, a crosshair because it's a polarizing application. And then this trinocular head has a binocular where all the light goes here, a binocular photo, so it splits the light, and 100% of light to the camera if it's all the way pulled out. So next, we're gonna go over this intermediate piece here. You're gonna loosen this screw and this part comes off. So you're gonna have a quarter wave plate. You're gonna have your 360-degree analyzer here. If that screw's tightened, it's not gonna turn, it's gonna be locked down. And then you're gonna have your Bertrand lens here that moves very smoothly. It's been fully serviced. This scope's in excellent condition. All right. Next thing, we have the nose piece here. We have pole optics. To remove the nose piece, there's a screw hole right here for that same 2mm Allen wrench. We're going to lower the stage. These nose pieces can be a little bit heavier than expected, so make sure you get a good grasp on the nose piece when you loosen the screw. And you're going to pull it straight forward and drop it down. Notice when you pull it straight forward, it just doesn't slide out. It has to drop down to get past this section. Put that over here. Then we're going to talk about the stage. So we have a rotating stage in here on this scope. Super smooth. You have a click stop here. So when you engage that, it's going to click. So you'll know where you're at on the stage position. All right. Next thing, this will be included as well, but a 3mm Allen wrench. You're going to need that to take the stage bracket off. Right here, there's a screw. 3mm Allen. That lifts right up. Okay. We're going to move the stand out of the way. And then we're going to talk about the condenser. This is a flip-top condenser with a polarizer on there. And you can rotate this polarizer here to cross the poles when you're using it for transmitted polarized light. So that's pretty much the gist of this microscope. We'll put it back together. So whenever you get it, this bracket's going to be off. We're going to slide it back on. We disassemble all the microscopes for safety during shipping. We just find that there's a lot better chance it doesn't get damaged. Nose piece with the stage down. Once you never take your hand off any part of the microscope until you are sure that it's tight and not going to fall off. All right. Then you're going to put the intermediate piece back on and the head back on. There's a dovetail, there's a flange here. Tighten that up. This is a 12-volt 100-watt lamp house if you do need to change the bulb. We've got another video on how to do that, but you have some neutral density filters here. So you push in, click out if you want to decrease the light through using the neutral density filter. And that's basically it on this microscope. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at info@mundaymicroscope.com or call 919-775-5596. We'll link in the description all of our contact information, so it's really easy to find us. We look forward to hearing from you, and good luck.